My name is Yasir Akbar Physiology. Today we talk about the ribonucleic acid. RNA or ribonucleic acid is composed of nuclear bases like adenine, guanine, cytosine, and uracils, and it is formed from the DNA. And there are three most common types of RNA. One is messenger RNA, which carry a specific type of sequence for an specific protein from DNA, and then go to the ribosomes for the formation of protein. And second type is ribosomal RNA. Ribosomal RNA are present in ribosomes, which help in the formation of proteins. And then transfer RNA. This structure is of transfer RNA, in which these are the codes like the cytosine, guanine, and adenine, and this amino acid. In our next slide we understand it easily with figure. This figure is best for easy learn, like these are tRNA. We call it tRNA in ribosomes, and match with messenger RNA sequence. If its sequences may match with the messenger RNA, this amino acid detach from the site, and this tRNA leave ribosomes from there. And this is messenger RNA, and this is a chain of proteins, amino acids. I hope you understand it very well. Thank you.